I did a video last week. I'm trying to stay consistent. Be gentle, okay? I'm trying to get used to this thing. This is new to me. Anyways, I wanted to come and chat with you guys and catch up with you all and see what's going on. I have a box opening that I wanted to do with you guys. I originally came on here to talk with you guys about being a UGC creator, and then I realized I'm not gonna have time for that. However, we can talk a little bit about that while I do this box opening. I'm so excited. Sorry. This is from Le Boutique. And I cannot wait to see. I was sent this. I kind of know what it is, but not really. And give me a second. I'm really excited. I honestly like being a UGC creator, content creator. I enjoy it a lot, actually. It's fun. You get, you know, exposure. You get nice things, and sometimes you come across brands that are willing to pay you. Ooh. So look, the packaging is amazing. It's amazing. I'm so excited to do this. It's beautiful. Oh wow. You know how like it's your birthday or Christmas and you don't want to mess up the paper because it's so pretty. Oh look, crystals. So it's really personal. I like it. You are the reason we do what we do. Plant this card for a little more joy and a lot less stress. Ooh, it smells good. Oh, wow. Okay, so it's wrapped up in here, and I'm gonna sit this right here. Ooh, lights. You all look. So this is the evening body serum, like I said, by Le Boutique, and it says it has no parabens, no sulfates, mineral oils, and artificial colors. It's vegan, cruelty-free. Let's see, a luxurious, fast-absorbing. I can't talk. A luxurious, fast-absorbing serum designed to work with you as you unwind at night. Okay, and it's made with 8 essentials and 6 rich botanicals. It's deeply hydrating and contains vitamin E and omega-3, 6, 9 essential fatty acids for beautiful, nourished skin. Enjoy and indulge. Escape from modern day stress. I plan to, honey. I take my baths very, very serious. Look how elegant. This is so pretty. Like I said, I could smell through the box almost. Let's see. So, of course, you gotta prime it. I don't want to waste it. Ooh. You guys, it smells really clean, a little floral, very fresh. How is it? Really? Look. Oh wow. My hands feel and look so nice. Oh, I'm gonna enjoy this. I'm going to enjoy this a lot. Thank you so much, La Boutique, so much for this great opportunity. I love it. Moisten card. Oh, moisten card and plant just under the surface of the soil in a sunny hot spot. Water regularly and watch the seeds sprout. Enjoy. What? So there's seeds in here. Talk about a gift, honey, that keeps on giving. Okay, this is nice. I'm so excited. Oh my gosh, I can't stop smelling it. Look how pretty. And this glass, very expensive. It's giving luxury, honey. Okay, luxury. So I'm super excited about that. I cannot wait to use that tonight during my bath time. So there you have it, really, honestly. Like I was saying, being a UGC creator, and when you get brands that send you stuff, you know, it's amazing. I get to keep it. All I have to do is maybe give a review or post it on my Instagram, which I am, because I'm absolutely blown away. I love the way it smells. It's so light. Look, I was gonna spray some perfume of Inspirato, but I don't need to. It's calming. It just smells so good, you guys. It smells so good. I would say, if you're trying to be a UGC creator, just post. If you have things around your house, post it. You know, prop it up, make it look really, really pretty, ready to sell. Also, I would say, don't always wait for brands to reach out to you. You can reach out to them and say, hey, not necessarily be an influencer, but you can do stuff like, you know, offer, let me create content for you. Let me be, you know, a UGC creator for you. Let me do videos. Let me do your, I'm tongue-tied, blogs, and all that good stuff. It's stuff you can post on Pinterest. That's one way to make some good money. Honestly, I'm just getting on it as far as taking it serious and posting content like for brands, but it's amazing, you guys. I really would say go for it. If you're new and you don't know how to get your feet wet, like I said, post, you know, get your portfolio going. And then I think I'm hot. I think I need to take off this hot ass jacket. Get your portfolio going and just post. Tag the brands. You know, use your hashtags and everything. And eventually somebody will notice you. Even if it's not for that particular company, somebody else. And then you'll have this really nice portfolio and your followings will start going. It's really mostly about engagement. I've known some people like myself who have a small following on Instagram, and the reason why I didn't use my personal, I started over fresh and I started a new one just for my content creating. And I don't have a large following at all. However, I do have great engagement. And probably because of my photos. I will leave all that information in the link down below. This is my breakthrough. This is the icebreaker. Help me out. Be patient. I'm trying. I'm getting used to you guys. You guys are getting used to me. And I hope this can grow and become something amazing. And I can't wait to see what you guys have to say down in the comments. Please be sure to like, share, and subscribe. Please subscribe. And I will see you later, beauty babes. Thank you. Bye.